So you want to design an invoice template to send to your clients, and you need something like that. So all you have to do is go to Canva. And why I'm using Canva is because Canva is the easiest app to design an invoice from, or anything you really want to design. There are many templates to choose from, and I mean, all I needed to do is to click input the invoice keyword, and I have over 6,000 search results. And then I get to click or choose on the template I want and then customize it. It's pretty easy that way. So from here you can just choose the one that would be suitable for you. If you are going for professional, you can input professional invoice. If you are going for, depends on your business or what you intend to do with it. Let's say I want this, I'll click on this and customize it. So once I customize it, I'll be able to input my personal details on the details of my work or my business in the various boxes, the prices, the quantities, and even the total, and I would be very happy. So if you've enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in the next one. Do have a great day, guys.